Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If the first and the last term of an AP are 5 and 220 respectively, then the sum of the 8th term from the beginning and the same term from the end of that AP is. Now we know nth term of an AP can be found by using Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we do not know what is common difference, but what we know is what is n and what is a. Let d be common difference. Therefore, 8th term from beginning will be equal to T8 equal to 5 plus 8 minus 1 into D. So T8 is equal to 5 plus 7D. Now when we are finding terms, nth term from end, for nth term from end of an AP, we have A will be modified as last term, that is L, and D will be modified as minus D, because we are this time we are looking from end of the AP. So we have 8th term, so therefore 8th term from end is going to be equal to T8 equal to last term, that is 220, plus n minus 1, that is 8 minus 1d. So this is equal to, let's see, T8 equal to 220 minus 7 into d, because d is to be taken as negative, so this is going to be this. So we get T8 equal to 220 minus 7d. Now we are supposed to find sum of these two terms. Therefore, sum of 8th term from beginning and 8th term from end is going to be, let's see, let's call it as T8b, let's call it as T8e. So T8b plus T8e, which is going to be equal to 5 plus 7d plus 220 minus 70. 220 minus 70. So that is going to be plus 70 and minus 70 get cancelled out, and what we have is 220 plus 5, which is 225. Therefore required sum equal to 225. This is the answer.